Hi, what is the value of a, given that you have 3 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a equals 5 to the power of a? Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, let's divide through by 5 to the power of a. So here will be 3 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of a equals 5 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of a. So from here, they have the same power. So from here, we can have it as 3 divided by 5, all in bracket, to the power of a, plus 4 divided by 5, all in bracket, to the power of a, equals this divided by this. We have it to be 1. So guys, we can resimplify this 3 divided by 5 as to be equals 1 minus 2 divided by 5, all in bracket, to the power of a. And likewise, we can also resimplify this 4 divided by 5 as one minus 1 divided by 5, all in bracket, to the power of a. So having known this one, we can substitute everything here. So this implies we are going to have 1 minus 2 divided by 5, all in bracket, to the power of a, plus 1 minus 1 divided by 5, all in bracket. Then we have everything to be equals 1. So from here, by applying the binomial expansion, so when we apply this binomial expansion, from here we have, therefore from here, the binomial expansion for this equivalent to us when you have 1. Then from here, the binomial expansion for this is given as this: 1 minus 2a divided by 5 plus 2a, open bracket, a minus 1 divided by 25 plus dot 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 dot. Likewise, the binomial expansion for 1 minus 1 divided by 5, all in bracket, to the power of a, equals 1 minus a divided by 5 plus a, open bracket, a minus 1 divided by 50. Then we have it to be dot 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 dot. Then when we now add this plus this to be equals 1, let's see what will happen. Then we are going to have this plus this. We are going to have here to be 2. So here will be 2. Then the minus 2a divided by 5 minus a divided by 5. Here will be minus 3a divided by 5 plus this 2a into a minus 1, all divided by 25, plus we are going to have for here as well as a into a minus 1, all divided by 50. Then we truncate it here, meaning that we stop it at here. So we let everything to be equals 1. So by having this one as this, now from here, we are going to have 2 minus 3a divided by 5. Then this one is, we have this one to be 50 here. So when we find the LCM, then here will now be 25 here is 1. 25 in this one will be 2 multiplied by this 2 here. We have here to be 4a into a minus 1. Then plus. Here will now be a into a minus 1 all in bracket. Then everything divided by 50. Then equals 1. So from here, we have 2. Then let's multiply 2 by this denominator 50. So here will now be 100. Here will now be minus. 5 here is 5. 5 here is 1. 5 here is 50 is 10. Multiplied by this, we have here to be 30a. Then plus. Here will now be 4a into a minus 1 plus a into a minus 1. Then 50 multiplied by this, we have here to be 50. Then from here, we are going to have this as 100 minus 30a. Then open the bracket. From here we have 4a squared. Here will now be 4 times this, we have here to be minus 4a. Then from here will also be plus a squared minus a equals 50. Then from here, let's do everything together. A squared plus a squared, we have here to be 5a squared. Then minus a minus 4a will give us minus 5a. Then minus 30a will give us minus 35a. Then we have here to be plus 100. Then equals 50. So from here we have 5a squared minus 35a. Taking this one to here will now be plus 50. Then we have everything to be equal 0. Then when we factor 5 from here, we are going to have here to be 5 into a squared. 5a squared divided by 5, here will be a squared left. Minus 35a divided by this, we only have minus 7 here. 50 divided by 5, here to be 10. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So now from here, when we divide 2 by 5, then this and this will cancel. So we are going to have only a squared minus 7a plus 10 to be equal 0. So now let's solve this one by factorization method. So from here, we believe that when we have a squared minus 5a minus 2a minus 5a minus 2a will give us minus 7a. Mind you, 5 and 2 are also factors of 10. Then plus 10 equals 0. So when we now take this and group them together, we have a squared minus 5a as this. We have minus, then here will now be minus 2a. Then minus 10. We have everything to be equal 0. So from here, we can do something reasonable. I think a is common here. We can have here to be a. Here will now be a minus 5. 2 is also common here. We can factor it as 2. Here will now also be a minus 5. Everything equals 0. So we can see that we have a minus 5 in common. So we have it to be. So there from here, we have a minus 5 in common. So we can factor it out. Here will now be a minus 5 Then the whole of everything here divided by this, we have only a. The whole of everything here divided by this, we have only -2. Then everything equals 0. So from here is either we have a minus 5 equals 0, or we have a minus 2 to be equals 0. Now from here we have our a to be equals 5 as this. We also have our a to be equals 2 as this. But let us check. So when we have 3 to the power of a plus 4 to the power of a, so equals 5 to the power of a. Let's check when a equals 5. Here will be 3 to the power of 5 plus 4 to the power of 5. Can it be equals 5 to the power of 5? This cannot be equal. So that means we reject this. Then when we test for this and see what will happen. So from here, we have 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 is going to give us 5 to the power of 2. This one will be 9 plus 16 equals 25. So this is true for A equals 2. Bye-bye.